All right, this is a pretty quick video. Let me hit play on here. So this is just a table for finding the sine, cosine, and tangent values for all the degrees on the unit circle, and then also writing the radians. So if you remember, sine is opposite over hypotenuse, and I'm going to write the wrong thing there. I wrote opposite over adjacent and then, whoops, caught myself. There we go, hypotenuse. Remember, the hypotenuse on the unit circle is always 1. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. And tangent is TOA, opposite over adjacent. So you could also look at tangent as sine divided by cosine, or sine over cosine. So when you go sine divided by cosine, you keep the first fraction, change the sign to multiplication, and you flip the second fraction. Okay, the hypotenuses, sure that's how you say it, divide out and you're left with opposite over adjacent. So sine for 0 is the y value. It's 0. Cosine is 1. And then tangent is sine over cosine. So 0 divided by 1 is 0. The angle for that, it hasn't rotated anything, so it's 0. All right, for 30 degrees, the angle, or the radians, is a rotation of pi over 6. Remember, 2 pi is all the way around the circle. The sine value, how high up that went, is 1/2. The cosine value is the square root of 3 over 2. Tangent is the opposite over the adjacent, so, or sine divided by cosine, so I just kept it, changed it, flipped it. Can't have a radical in the denominator, so multiplied numerator and denominator by square root of 3 over 3. For 60 degrees, you just take the values you had at 30 degrees and they flip. Okay, so the x value, that goes over 1/2 of a unit on the x-axis, and it's up square root of 3 over 2 units on the y-axis. So sine divided by cosine, keep it. So square root of 3 over 2. Change the sign to multiplication. So the tangent value is the square root of 3. So there are going to be some cases where you're going to try to divide and it will be undefined. For example, 90 degrees. Watch out for that one. So you just write undefined. Okay.